Imagine unlocking your true potential, achieving goals you once thought impossible, and transforming your life in ways you've only dreamed of. What if I told you that in just 30 days you could set yourself on a path to personal development, improved health, or financial growth? Welcome to the 30-day challenge. Transform your life with daily meditation. Step 1. Set clear intentions. Begin by defining what you aim to achieve. Whether it's enhancing your personal development, boosting your health, or increasing your financial acumen, clarity is key. Write down your specific goals and visualize your success daily. Step 2. Create a dedicated space. Designate a quiet, comfortable area for your meditation practice. This space should be free from distractions, allowing you to focus entirely on your journey inward. Step 3. Start small and be consistent. Begin with just 5 minutes of meditation each day, gradually increasing as you become more comfortable. Consistency is more impactful than duration. Daily practice builds a lasting habit. Step 4. Use guided meditations aligned with your goals. Select guided meditations that resonate with your specific objectives. For personal development, consider meditations that enhance self-awareness. For health, choose those that promote relaxation and healing. For financial growth, opt for meditations that cultivate abundance mindsets. Step 5. Reflect and journal your progress at the end of each session. Take a few moments to journal your thoughts and feelings. Documenting your journey provides insight into your progress and keeps you motivated. Embarking on this 30-day meditation challenge is a commitment to yourself, a promise to pursue growth, health, or financial well-being. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Start your transformation today. Share your goals in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more guidance on your journey to success. Your future self is cheering you on.